Next is exercise H. What is given in the H exercise? Rearrange the following words to form interrogative sentences and add appropriate punctuation marks. क्या करना है हमें? We have to convert these sentences into the interrogation form. There are some sentences given. First one is, what you will do with these packets? How we will convert into interrogative? What will you do with these packets? At the end of the sentence there will be sign of interrogation. How we make the sentences in interrogation form? कैसे बनाते हैं? We always bring the helping verb जो होता है ना, that is will, we always bring it in front of the subject. जो subject होता है उसके आगे ले आते हैं to make it interrogative. Second is, where you kept have all the stationery. Again the words are given in jumbled form. How we will make? Where have you kept all the stationery? And at the end of the sentence there will be sign of interrogation. Here the word have is your helping verb. Number 3, when you go will to the office. Again the words are not making any sense. How we will arrange? When will you go to the office? At the end of the sentence sign of interrogation. That is very easy to make the sentences, to convert the sentences into interrogation form. You have the need. What is the need? You have to know about the rule of the interrogation, how to make it. Number 4, why you are laughing? How we will make? Why are you laughing? At the end of the sentence sign of interrogation. Number 5, who coming is to see you? Again the sentence is not making any sense. Who is here is helping verb. Who is coming to see you? ठीक है जी, this exercise is done. This is a way to make the sentences, to convert the sentences into interrogation form. This is very easy. Next, look at exercise I. What is given in the I exercise? We have to convert the sentences into exclamatory form. I में क्या दिया गया है? Rearrange the following words to form exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory होते हैं in which sentences we are expressing some type of feelings. Those sentences are called exclamatory sentences, and there will always be sign of exclamation. First one, a well-behaved child, but you are. The words are given in jumbled form. How we will make? The exclamatory sentences are always started with what or how. What a well-behaved child you are. At the end of the sentence there will be sign of exclamation. Next one is, lovely is the how view. मतलब कि जो व्यू है बहुत ही लवली है, बहुत सुंदर है. How we will do? How lovely the view is. At the end of the sentence there will be sign of exclamation. Third one is, an eloquent speech what she gave, and we will bring the word what at the front of the sentence. What an eloquent speech she gave. At the end of the sentence, sign of exclamation is compulsory. Next one is fourth one. Fourth one is the dolls how beautiful are. This is also not making any sense. Number 4, how we will do it? How beautiful the dolls are. And end of the sentence पे हमें क्या लगाना है? Sign of exclamation. Number 5, pleasant surprise what? How we will do? What a pleasant surprise. Okay ji, this is the way to rearrange the sentences into exclamatory form. Exclamatory sentences are always started with what and how, and at the end of the sentence there should be sign of exclamation. Exercise I is completed. Next is exercise J. What is given here? Rearrange the following words to make a command, request, advice or instruction. मतलब if we are making the sentences into like we are giving command, we are doing request, we are giving advice, that type of sentences are called imperative sentence. We have to rearrange the given sentences into imperative form. In the library, don't make a noise. This is just a simple statement and the words are not in proper form. How we will do? Do not make a noise in the library. And at the end of the imperative sentences, full stop always come. Next is you my question answer. You answer my question. In the other way, we can simply write answer my question. At the end of the sentence there will be full stop, simply full stop. Third one is what is given in the third sentence? Take medicines regularly. Your. Again the words are given in jumbled form. How we will do? Take your medicines रेगुलरली. वी आर गिविंग एडवाइस कि अपनी मेडिसिन जो है टाइम पे लेनी चाहिए आपको. लो. नंबर 4, फेच मी प्लीज अ ग्लास चिल्ड वाटर ऑफ. अगेन देयर इज नो सेंस ऑफ द वर्ड्स. हाउ वी विल स्टार्ट? वी विल स्टार्ट विद द रिक्वेस्ट. प्लीज फेच मी a glass of chilled water. कि प्लीज मुझे एक गिलास ठंडे पानी का दो. नंबर 5, walk on the grass please don't. Again we are making request, please don't walk on the grass. Exercise J is also completed. With this exercise, chapter number 1 is completed. The types of sentences we have discussed very deeply, and I hope you will understand. And what will you do now? You will take a rough notebook and you will try to make some imperative, some question mark, some simple sentences by your own. Thank you. The next chapter we will start in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.